This is our drive to the lake up in northern North Dakota. Here we're walking out to our spot. This is the hole before we put the dark house on it. That's Sister Lainey getting ready to get in the house. Everywhere right now. Damn. Oh my word. We're in a school of pike. Wow. This never happens where you see a lot of pike at one time.
I think there's going to be another big one on the west shot.
Wait, you don't have to start videoing it. We'll wait till I do that. What just happened?
I just caught my first fish. And I feel kind of bad.
Look at how big it is. Nice work.
Oh.
Yeah, Lainey, grab the spear.
It's fine, it's wrapped up, so just hold it right there for a second.
Lainey's prize fish.
Want a picture of Lainey?
Yeah, here. Then we had a pike actually take our bait. He wasn't interested in the decoy, he just wanted the minnow that we had down there. So we end up just releasing him.
Oh no, it wasn't.
Huh, you're good. As long as you got this. This is the exciting part.
We're good then.
Oh, head twist.
Ah!
Twist your head. Twist your head.
Perfect.
Ah.
Dinner is served, Lane.
Yummy.
Go ahead and pull it up.
This is our prize catches. All the ones we're gonna clean to take home for Grandpa to fillet. He's a master at no bones. This is Lainey and I cooking